Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to restore color screen settings Windows 11. Let's right-click on the desktop to choose Display Settings. In this window, scroll down a little to open the option, Advanced Display. Now click on the line, Display Adapter Properties and the adapter of the selected monitor. In the displayed window, go to the Color Management tab, click on the Color Management button. Now go to the tab Advanced. At the bottom, click on Calibrate Display. Now you will have access to a calibration wizard. You will click Next to choose and configure each of the options associated with the display color, such as brightness, contrast, and more. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. At the end, you can make a comparison between the calibrations you have performed. Click on the Finish button. You can close the windows and you will have restored the color of the Windows screen. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.